Ducks are highly favored in poultry farming globally, particularly across Asia, where the climate and terrain are conducive to their growth. China stands out as the leading producer of duck meat worldwide, boasting an annual output of approximately 4.5 million tons. Moreover, the country's consumption of eggs is staggering, reaching into the hundreds of billions annually. China's landscape is dotted with thousands of expansive duck farms, some capable of yielding thousands of duck eggs daily. Join us as we delve into the realm of the world's largest duck-laying farm. Billions of ducks are bred on farms throughout Asia, distinguishing themselves from poultry raised in confined spaces by their penchant for expansive fields and wetlands, particularly prevalent in regions like China and Southeast Asia. Post-rice harvest, these fields offer ideal grazing grounds for ducks, allowing them to roam freely and forage for sustenance. However, for farms focused on duck egg production, the construction of barns becomes imperative, providing designated spaces where ducks can lay their eggs daily. Duck farms are typically constructed with simplicity in mind, utilizing materials such as bricks, bamboo, or wood for their structures. The primary function of these barns is to provide shelter, shielding the ducks from inclement weather and maintaining warmth. While ducks possess the propensity to lay eggs anywhere, the construction of barns is essential to ensure optimal egg quality. Enclosures for laying ducks must prioritize dry flooring to deter pests like mice and other intruding animals. Farmers often employ a layer of wood mulch or rice husks to promote hygiene within these enclosures. Due to the centralized arrangement of cages, ducks frequently lay eggs directly on the floor, heightening the risk of contamination from duck feces. Hence, lining the flooring with rice husks becomes imperative, guaranteeing the cleanliness of harvested duck eggs. Raising laying ducks differs significantly from raising ducks intended for meat consumption, demanding increased attention and care. Opting for a diet primarily composed of mixed feed proves advantageous despite its higher cost, offering convenience and ease of management. This approach enables farmers to meticulously regulate food quantities and monitor daily consumption levels, eliminating the need for frequent alterations in feed types that could potentially disrupt laying duck productivity. Ensuring a stable and high-quality food source is paramount, necessitating raw materials of impeccable quality and hygiene for food production. Within the confines of the barn, hundreds of laying ducks diligently produce eggs, yielding a bountiful harvest for the farmers each day. These freshly laid eggs are meticulously collected and sorted, with each one carefully arranged in trays. The trays serve as a means of transportation, ensuring the safe delivery of the eggs to consumers. Additionally, a select few eggs are chosen with care, earmarked for hatching to propagate new generations of duck breeds. This meticulous process underscores the dedication of the farmers to deliver quality products, while also ensuring the sustainability of their duck farming operations. In addition to the revenue generated from duck eggs, duck-laying farms also capitalize on the sale of duck breeds. Farmers meticulously identify fertilized duck eggs with promising embryos, earmarking them for the incubator. After a gestation period of 28 days, these eggs hatch into ducklings. Depending on their size and health, each duckling can fetch a price ranging from $1, with farmers typically selling 1 or 2 ducklings per transaction. Duck farms commonly procure anywhere from 500 to 1,000 duck breeds to raise on their premises. Meat ducks, in particular, undergo a growth period of approximately 3 months before they are deemed ready for sale. This multifaceted approach not only diversifies the farm's revenue streams, but also underscores the versatility and profitability of duck farming operations. China stands as the world's foremost consumer of poultry eggs, with a particular fondness for salted duck eggs, a traditional delicacy cherished across the nation. Annually, Chinese consumers indulge in billions of these savory treats. Salting duck eggs varies across regions, with each area boasting its unique recipes and techniques. While some opt for a straightforward method of soaking eggs in salt water for a month, others enhance the process by incorporating red soil, renowned for imparting a distinctive and delicious flavor. Upon egg collection, farmers meticulously cleanse each one before commencing the salting process. In regions where red soil is utilized, a mixture comprising red soil, salt, and clean water is prepared. Subsequently, each egg is carefully coated with this mixture and placed into baskets, where they are left to rest for approximately 30 days. During this period, as the layer of red soil gradually dries, the salt penetrates the egg, facilitating the drying of the yolk. This meticulous process not only imbues the egg yolk with a visually striking hue, but also elevates its flavor profile, culminating in a delectable delicacy cherished by the Chinese populace. In addition to calcium, salted eggs are replete with omega-3 fatty acids, which play a pivotal role in brain cell development, potentially mitigating conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Furthermore, they are a rich source of vitamin B12 and choline, essential nutrients vital for nerve health. Choline supports optimal nervous system function, while vitamin B12 aids in the prevention of various neurological disorders, including memory loss and fatigue. Moreover, the high iron content in salted eggs makes them an effective remedy for preventing anemia resulting from iron deficiency. Beyond their nutritional value, salted eggs also hold significance in the food processing industry, where they serve as an indispensable ingredient in various culinary creations, notably in the preparation of cakes. Their distinctive flavor and versatile applications underscore their enduring importance not only as a dietary staple, but also as a culinary essential cherished by generations of Chinese consumers. Have you ever tried salted duck eggs? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Experts predict a bright future for the duck farming industry, particularly in breeding models that produce high-quality output. There's a clear trend towards concentrated, high-quality and food-safe livestock, aligning with both industry and consumer demands. Consequently, duck slaughterhouses are ramping up operations to meet the growing demand. Curious about how large-scale duck slaughter plants operate? Stay tuned to discover the answer. Did you find today's video informative and engaging? Leave a comment below to share your thoughts, and remember to hit the like, share and subscribe buttons to support our channel. Until next time, farewell and see you in our next video.